going on, guys? Your boy Turbo P in the house. All right, so I understand it's been a while since I posted, but you know what? Life happens, and sometimes you don't get the time to do things like this. So today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a DIY for a very popular item. I've had a lot of people asking me to do a DIY on this or have instructions on how to do it. It is one of the items I do sell. So let me go and show you what that item is. All right, guys, so this is what it is. It is the cold air intake, the high performance 01 cold air intake that I sell for Q50s and Q60s. I got my buddy CJ over here. He is going to help me out with the install and basically be my cameraman while I show you guys how to do everything. So
absolutely, let's do it.
Let's do it. I gotta love our beautiful Florida weather. As you can see, it's raining and it will continue to rain, so decided to pull the car inside the garage. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the bumper out. In order to take the bumper out, there are a few bolts all the way down here, as you can see. So you got bolts over here, and there are two bolts. One is right here on the inside, and the other one is right here on the inside. And there's a reason I have the wheels turned all the way out. I'm going to show you why later. After that, there is a bolt back there. So it's like right here. And there's another bolt back here. After that, once you take all of these out, it should pop right out. All right, all the bolts are out. We're gonna put it in a trusty little box where we're not gonna lose the bolts. After that, we're gonna pull these out, the little side moldings right here, and then locate that right there, which is a 10 mil, and take this side molding out, locate that, which is a 10 mil as well. All right, once you take it out, make sure you have these together. All right, so remember when I told you about the tires being cut to the other side? That's because there's a bolt right over here that needs to get taken out. And this is like the way you can access. It's also a 10 mil. So what you do is get your little tool out here, take your trim piece out. And then from here, if I can see it. Boom, comes right out. All right, next is you want to take these pieces out. All of this gets deleted with this intake kit. So, you can just come over here and start taking it out this way. Just little trim pieces, boom, boom, comes right out. All right, next up, we're gonna take the bumper bash bar out. There are 4 12 millimeters on this side and 4 12 millimeters on this side. You're done with down here, you're gonna start right here. Take these intake boxes out. One right here, and one is right here. Let's take that one. Alright, same on the other side. Take that off, and then this should pull out from under. Like so. Right, guys, the stock air boxes are completely out. So what we are going to do now is go ahead and install our intake. One thing I did notice in this, there's that module right there. You see that module right there? It will need to be taken off and put like somewhere around here. Just relocate it. What you want to do, or the next thing you want to do, is go ahead and undo your washer fluid reservoir, because the piping will actually need to come in through there and then go up. So it's not going to fit properly with this on. All right, guys, the mass airflow sensors are moved over to the inlets here. Unlike most intakes, we do not use the stock MAF housing. These are actually welded on to the piping itself, as you can see. And then how do you tell which one is right, which one is left? What you do is you find this nipple right here, which goes into this PCV. All right, so you want to look at that 2.5 to 2 inch coupler that goes directly into the turbo inlet. When you install it, make sure you install it slightly angled, so when this comes in, it doesn't hit the plug right here. So just slightly angle it. All right, guys, so that's kind of sort of how it sits. Still needs a little bit of adjustment over there, but the next thing I wanted to show you guys is right here. So what you want to do now is you want to relocate this horn, because right now it's not going to work. As you can see, it's going to hit the horn. So you want to relocate the horn. All right, guys, so this is almost done. As you can see, so that goes in. Oh yeah, so I wanted to show you something. So this side goes vertical like that. However, if you look at this side right here, it goes on a 45-degree angle, and then you have your couplers go on the end, like so. I still gotta redo this right here. I think I'm just gonna do like that right there. I don't think it's gonna hurt anything, and we'll be good. For this, you find these little inserts. These inserts go in right here, like so. Of course, jam that in there. Yo, use lube. I use this shit right here. Amsoil spray grease. All I do is just grease up the ends right here, or the ends right there. Hey guys, here you have it. The intakes are installed. As you can see, this side is done, this side is done, and the filters are on. The only thing left is go ahead and put all these back together. And guys, as you have it, there is the install. The car is ready. That sounds good, and that's a stock turbo car with no blow valves or anything like that. But as I was saying, the car is ready to go, buttoned up, sounds amazing. If you guys like this video, if you learn anything from it, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, hit me up. I'm gonna go and put my Instagram here, or you can message me on IG, wherever the case may be. If you guys like this shirt, go and get it at teamvr30.com. Help the community out. Get the merchandise. We get it, bro. We get it. It sounds good. It sounds good. All right, guys. Take care. Woo.